Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Duolingo app. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your time.